to come up with or to understand. It's really about learning how to code. And once you learn how to code, it's just like if you need to switch languages, like if I needed to start coding all in JavaScript tomorrow, I could. I wouldn't be as good at it, but like you see what I'm saying? Like it's just the way to think as a coder and like what loops are and functions and all these things. And then like once you get to C++ and Rust, you have to like think about memory and stuff like that. I prefer Python. I learned Rust. I spent a lot of time with Rust. Solidity, I've done a lot over there as well, but I keep coming back to Python. Obviously, Solidity is for smart contracts, and Rust is a little more versatile than Solidity. But all right, yeah. If you guys have any questions, ask me out here on Twitch. I got a few more minutes to kick it and answer any questions. Dang, so Chad is a dev at a web app company, and he only does C# and Angular. He misses Python so much. I miss it too. I would miss it too. I did it like yesterday and the day before we built this top meme game, and I was using a little bit of Python, but not much, mostly HTML and JavaScript and CSS. And I was just like, oh, I can't wait to get back to Python. I can't wait to get back. Let's see if this code works, by the way. I'm not going to go too deep onto this right now, but my brain hurts. I did a hackathon. I did 16 hours in the last 2 days of coding, maybe even 17 hours of coding in the last 2 days. So that was crazy, dude. It was really a crazy stretch, but we built the top meme game and now we got the $100 giveaway. So here, I build it and I give it right back. You can have it. It's all free here. It's all free to use, and it's not really a game. I mean, kind of a game, but it's more of like a great way to track this stuff, in my opinion. Oh, I like this dog though. Get this out of here. Share. So if you share yours, you get a chance to win the $100. I'm gonna keep sharing mine because mine keep changing. Mine keep changing, so I'm gonna keep sharing. Let's see here. Yeah, Z2, exactly. He says, got it. It's like problem solving, matter language doesn't matter. Yeah, exactly. The language doesn't matter. It's problem solving. It's just, and then you got to learn like the terminology, like functions and variables and all that BS. That's just like there to trick you and scare you off. Chad says Python is just so smooth writing the code. Don't know how to explain it. Me neither, dude. Me neither. I will keep on checking in here on the chat. We got a few more minutes on the giveaway, so if you want to get those in, you can. See, running algo, see if this works. Okay. Path to resistance.csv, error, no file. Okay, that's fine. I can figure that out. Line 74. Okay, 74 here. Okay, data. Symbols, daily resistance. Let's see if there's another one here. There probably is. Data breakout tokens. Okay. We don't have path to resistance. We don't have. It would be on you to build this since I have given you my strategy already. Where can we see your codes? You can see them in the bootcamp. Bootcamp is where I teach all this stuff, and I can actually take the time to go through different algorithms that I've built and show you how you can build your strategy into a trading bot. None of this is plug and play though, so don't jump in here. Don't come in here if you think it's going to be just plug and play, you get rich. It's not like that at all. I'm teaching you exactly how to fish so you can fish for the rest of your life, aka how to automate your trading so you can automate your trading for the rest of your life. We've had a couple of people that sneak through. I try to keep my marketing and everything very transparent that, hey, this takes a lot of work. It's not easy, but I've been doing it for 3.5 years and I am way ahead of most people, so I can get you up to speed with me. It's not a get rich quick though. So like I said, we've had a few people that jump in and they think it's a get rich quick where like they're just buying a bot, but I think it's a scam if you ever see somebody saying, hey, buy this bot and you're going to make money, because that's not how it works. You have to build your own edge. But all of these people are really like dedicated to the process. So they all have written good things about this bootcamp, because they actually take it and use the resources and build on top of them, build their own strategies and their own edges. So you can read about it here. But yeah, it's not a plug and play bot thing. If you ever come across a plug and play bot thing, I personally think it's a scam, because that's, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. And everything I teach here is not too good to be true, because you actually have to put in hard work in order to develop your edge and your own strategy. That being said, $69 to get 3.5 years of training to get up to speed with me, I think it's well worth it. And there's 100% money back guarantee. I tend to kick out the get rich quick kids. So there's some get rich quick kids in here that think that they can just like click this web. Oh, I clicked this web button. I put $69 in it and I didn't get $1 million in the next day. So we get kids that like do that. And I know you're in college. So like when I was in college, I was looking for something to make money fast. That's why I say it. You know, this isn't going to be a fast thing. You're going to learn a hard skill that can help for the rest of your life to automate trading if you are a trader right now. Let's go check in on YouTube, see what these punks have to say. If there's any bad vibes, I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back if there's any bad vibes up in this YouTube. 777, say it off right. Yo, Z2 from Twitch says $69. You decided that number by intention, right? I don't know. That was a good price. I thought it was fun. I try to keep things fun. I don't really need the money, so it's just like, why would I make it not fun, you know? Yo, what's up? Hey, Sake, good to see you. I haven't seen you in a minute, actually. Chad, what up? I think you're over here now. Hey, cool channel. I've been watching your vids. You're an ex-software engineer and been in crypto for 5 years or so and love all the new AI stuff. Keep up the good work. Kudos. Thank you, bro. Thank you, dude. Thank you guys for the good vibes over here on YouTube. 777. Chad, I see your tweet. So yeah, we're giving away the $100 USDC here in just a few minutes. All you got to do is go to Top Meme Game, pick your top 4 memes before the time runs out, and then share them on Twitter, and then you're entered to win the $100. And I'm about to do that giveaway here soon, so you got a couple more seconds. No, conversely, I'm also a developer and would help if it's an open source project. Now, it is open source, dog. This is an open source project. It's all here on YouTube. Just go ahead and open up the YouTube channel. It's open source, just in a different way. I don't find any value in GitHub. I mean, when I find code on GitHub, it's like, okay, what do I do with this code? Maybe that's because I'm a noob and I don't know how to read other people's code very well. So for me, the best way to learn is through video. So the way I open source is putting it on video. It's all on video. Every single step of my journey, every single thing I figured out, everything is on YouTube for 100% free. Some videos are embarrassing. They're 5 hours long and I'll get one thing done. Some videos I am fast, 7 minutes. Some videos are, like I said, extremely vulnerable and embarrassing. Like this one, 3 hours and 43 minutes. I built a bot that trades 78 tokens at once, but it's all here. It's all open source. It's all that. Yeah. So I'm glad you're here, Andrew. C++ is also prone to hacking and a guaranteed exploit. Guaranteed. Nice. Nice, bro. Nice. Andrew also says that markets aren't decided by trends. Trend only help to predict market movement. There is no evidence that shows we are about to hit a bull market. I agree. There is no evidence that we're hitting a bull market, but I don't know. Let's see. So markets aren't decided by trends. Trends only help predict the market. Yeah, I just know that markets do have different regimes. That's all I was saying earlier. So that's cool you're here, dude. I'm glad you're here. Much love to you. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, I'm about to go ahead and just count up the tallies because I'm going to get ghosts here. Because, yeah, I'm just need to take a little time. Chad says, check my latest message. Do you mind sharing the repository of topmemecoin.com? I can take a look at it and probably add some fun features as search bar, etc. Yeah, shoot me a DM or something. I'm not sure. I don't really want to focus on it too much. That's really kind of you though to say you want to add some features and search bar stuff. What I found is that I kind of just proved this again yesterday. Is any project is gonna take me like 50 hours of time. So, um, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a, I don't know. I'll think about it. Shoot me a Discord message. I'll think about it. I don't know if I want to move this forward here because this took like 17 hours or something in the last 2 days. Tiger World says, "How do I do my picks? How do my picks? How I do my picks? How I do my picks? You just go like this, bro. When you refresh, you just pick your 4 top tokens. So, I like Solana. That's funny. I like this dog still. So I'm just picking. You have 30 seconds to pick it. I like this. No, that's a Trump thing. You just pick them, B. Yeah, you just pick them and then share it, dog. So just share your top 4 like that. So that's a whole tutorial of the whole thing. And if you share this, post it. You got about 5 minutes here before the giveaway is over. So giveaway is going to be 100 USDC. Discord user ID, it's Moondav. It's Moondav. I have a link in the description here that will take you to here, the website, and at the bottom of the website, you'll be able to join the Discord, and I'm in the Discord, so it's at Moondav on the Discord. If you guys have any more questions, we're gonna wrap up here with the giveaway. I see that you posted, Tiger, you posted your picks here, but the picks got to be posted through the tweet function here on the Top Meme Game. Just like this, click that, share it like that, post it, it will tag me, and then I will know that you entered. And there's only a few people entered, so somebody's making $100 here in the next few minutes, which is nice. This link is invalid. Which link, B? Should be a link on Twitch here. But the Discord one? Really? Maybe you got blocked, bro. I don't know. Have you been in there already? It's looking like it's working for me, dude. Is it working for everybody else? That's weird. I don't know what to tell you, though. That's wild. It's wild it's not working. It just worked for me, but maybe because I'm the admin. I'll go ahead and create new invite and I'll update it right now. It never expires. There's no limit to it. Sorry, come again. Does it work for you, Chad? So the giveaway is gonna end here in a few minutes. So if you want to get in on that, you just share your top 4 there. Let's go ahead and make sure that link is working on the Discord. I'm just gonna check it out here, and also I want to see what ChatGPT has done. See if she's fixed this code. She's our little worker while we're here, kind of working. Breakout, trending, okay. Not gonna go too deep into this today. I'm kind of brain dead. Okay, there we go. So the giveaway is going to be in the next like 5 to 10 minutes, I'd say. So if you want to get in, go pick your top 4 on Top Meme Game and then share your top 4. That's it. It's super simple. It tags me so I can know you entered the giveaway. That's it. But it has to be during this live. So if you're watching this later, sorry, B. You could still use the app, but that's about it. That's about it, dog. That's about it, dog. I'm changing the link on the Discord thing. Oh my goodness, that's not it. Copy. All right, it's updated. I mean, might have to refresh it. The link. The link is at the bottom of the page for the free Discord here. So go refresh it. Maybe try incognito. The link has been updated, so should be a new link now, just in case it wasn't working. But Z2 here from Twitch says it's not working on his end. I'm wondering if it works anywhere else. It's up in here. If you click this link here, you'll be able to see it. You can see here that I think it's going ahead and calculating the resistance. I need more. Print resistance levels for the symbol. I just need more feedback here. So here, boom. Okay, that's the resistance for BTC. This is the resistance for ETH. Nice. This is perfect. This is perfect. I've shown you everything today. I showed you the backtest as well. So here's the backtest again, just in case you didn't see it. I've shown you everything. I continuously show you everything, dude. So please do tap that like button and do what you need to do, dude. Do what you need to do to keep coming back, B. So this is printing out the resistance for all of them now, which is nice to see. There's all the code for the backtest. We're going to implement this. This is all the code for the scanner here. And you can take your screenshots or whatever you want to do, dude. Whatever you want to do, dude, it's your world. I'm just here coding away, showing you absolutely everything on the path to a few B. A few B. Why do you think I use B so often, B? Why you think I use B so often, B? Because my mind is focused, B. Why you think I say B every other word? I don't know. Maybe I'm chasing a B. I don't know. Here we got about 5 minutes before we do this giveaway, and the giveaway is on topmemecoin.com. And all you got to do is share your top 4. So go pick your top 4 before the timer ends. Topmemegame.com and pick your top 4 before the time ends. And now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to give you a timer of like 5 minutes. I'm going to put a 5-minute timer on. And then we're going to go ahead and do that giveaway. So if you have any final questions, throw them in the chat. I'm about to get Ghost after this giveaway. I'm going to get your USDC address here for whoever wins. All right, so we're doing this giveaway here in a few minutes now. So I'm just going to wait for any last entries to come in before I get Ghost here. But yeah, it looks like it's working. Yeah, it worked after I changed it. Okay, perfect. Today we are going to build a breakout trading bot here on Hyperliquid for crypto. This is how you automate your trading. So in the past parts of this training or videos, I have shown you exactly how to research trading strategies and then backtest those strategies. So my process to automate trading is not jumping directly to a bot. So just remember that it always comes down to first researching strategies, coming up with the strategy. And where can you research strategies? Well, Google Scholar has a wealth of knowledge here, written by PhDs, written by master's degree students, people that spend their whole life in school. It is what it is, and their research can sometimes be really good because they're spending a lot of time on it. So YouTube's another place. It's a little easier, lower barrier to entry for YouTube videos. So take that for what it is. But you're spending most of your time on the research and the back testing part, and then you're implementing into a bot. So don't be like me and jump into algo trading and go right for the bot, because that's not ever going to be a good play. The best play is to always research, and then backtest strategies. And then if they worked in the past, then they may work in the future. So you've seen already the back tests. Let's go ahead and see if we can pull them up again. Here we have a couple Hyperliquid bots here. Is this where we put the back test as well? Yeah. Here's one of the back tests here, a breakout bot. We have a ton of these back tests, and we've, as you can see on 528, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we did like 5 different back tests, and they all proved to be profitable. So that's good. And let's see here. Here's just one, just so we can run it really quickly. They're all kind of different, and they all have different results. We've tested on so many different symbols now. You can see this one's on INJ. It's probably the worst performer we've found, but the buy and hold is 71%. The return is 197%. It gets 98 trades in. So this is actually the strategy that I'm going to be implementing, because while it's not a huge number of trades over 208 days, that's like a trade every other day. That's fine with me. So this is the strategy I want to build out. So I'm going to go ahead and put this up here and say, okay, let's go ahead and put it up here. Okay. Now, yeah, this is the process. This is the process here, and you've been seeing me do all this. You've seen all the back tests here prior, and now I'm going to go ahead and implement this into a bot. So what I stopped on here was I was looking at this breakout bot here, and what we're trying to do here is come up with see which ones are hitting our resistance levels, and then seeing if we get the breakout. So let's say update this code so it follows this exact strategy. Update the above code so it scans for this exact strategy below. And this is the strategy that we're replicating here. So BT single, okay? So let's go ahead and copy it all in and say, hey, we want to replicate that for that strategy. So to update the initial code so that it scans for a breakout strategy defined in the later part, we need to make several modifications. Here's the updated code. Okay, so let's see what she does here. Okay, here we go. Fetching candles. The function fetch candles now returns snapshot data candles directly. Daily resistance calculation. Prints resistance levels for symbols for verification. Breakout calculation. Adjusted the stop loss and take profit percentages to match the strategy. Okay. What are they take profits here? $3 at 18. Let's go ahead here and copy this code over, and let's go to breakout bot here. 531 breakout bot. That's today. Look at that. I go in the future. It's pretty crazy. So we're gonna add a bunch of print statements here for resistance level print. Perfect. Okay. And here check breakout. Print. That's what I want to see here. Breakout. Okay, so first we're building the scanning functionality out. And by the way, this is the top volume tokens here on the left side. It's part of what my sniper pulls. So this is my Solana sniper here, and it's sniping tokens early. And it also, I look at this by hand and I pick my top 4 every hour or so. So this dog just keeps catching my eye. And if it catches my eye over and over again, that is something I want to note. So this mouse or this thing keeps catching my eye. The dog with no hat, but I just don't like the reskin. This thing. Gotta go with cheeks. I'm gonna share my top 4 real quick. Cause I haven't shared my top 4 today. Undefined. What happened, B? Well, we gotta fix this real quick. So let's go ahead and fix that while. Let's get this scanning first. So running algo. Okay, perfect. Indices, candles. Put any prints here that you need. So let's see. Let's just put it form. Line 43 here. Line 43. Let's print snapshot data. Okay. And then we'll be able to give it a good response here. Okay, you can see this. All the response here. And then I can say I got this error. Got this error. Okay, so it knows the error now. Let's jump into our GitHub here of that other thing. What is that other thing? Well, that other thing is the meme game, I guess. Yeah, meme game. Let's open in Visual Studio here. And we can see in the meme game dot this here that it looks like the thing broke. So how do I get that back? I honestly don't know. Okay. What was the thing to push to GitHub? Or not GitHub? How do I... Do I push a new version to Heroku, assuming my app's name is Solana Memes? Or I gotta log into Heroku first. Press any key. Verification code. Oh, I got a verification code on my phone. Forgot they did the one-time password thing. So let me go ahead and verify that. I know this is a little pivot of what we're doing, but it is what it is. You get to see this every single day. Zero, one. There we go. Logging in. Perfect. I'm in there. So now I need to go ahead and say get add something. It's like get add dot. Okay. It's get add dot. Then what? I just forgot. Okay, that's what it is. Weird that this would stop working. Oh, it's because I haven't launched the thing yet. Sorry, I just reset my computer. Get add, get commit, and then we run this, whatever this was. Okay, let's say get branch. Okay, there we go. See if this fixed it. Let's go see what ChatGPT said about that code here. Remember, we're back to the algo trading now. So we're going back and forth all day because this is what we do. Sorry. It is what it is. I'm not sorry actually. I'm happy. I'm happy to be here with you and sharing all this with you. So sorry for the sporadicness going back and forth. It is what it is. We'll be here forever. Okay, so you can see resistance level for ETH, resistance level for Atom. So we're seeing resistance levels for all of these. Oh, it didn't put the print. Print. I want more than that, duh. Thank you. And then, so for symbol and symbols, catch if hourly snapshot. Okay, breakout info. Breakout info. Okay. I guess we don't need all that. Let's go ahead and check out the breakouts here. See if this fixed it. I wonder what was going on there. But those are my top memes for today. So feel free to go up in there and share yours as well. Or that's my top four. No, that's actually not my top four. Sorry. I'm gonna delete that. So I'm glad we got that fixed. That was awesome. It's awesome, awesome. Let's go ahead and close that now. And since that's fixed, we can just focus on this. So now this is calculating the resistance level on the daily, because the strategy, remember, is a daily strategy, or it's looking at daily resistance and then waiting for an hour breakup. That's it. Super simple strategy. So you can see daily resistance. Let me actually get my top four in here while we got this time. This dog for sure. I like Kermit. I like this frog. even though I don't want to offend anybody. Oh boy. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. What's my fourth? I don't see any heat today. Oh, it's a shark cat, of course. So cute. All right, these are my top four. Feel free to share yours. Go to my Twitter here and it's Moondev on YT. That's it. You can go there, and if you want to see the top memes every hour of every day, then you can see them. It's free, B. It's a free public good for you. I don't know if it's helpful, but for me, it's helpful, so I built it for myself. And that's why I do around here. I just build stuff for me. Sorry, B. Just gonna open these up in the new tab, see what they're looking like. While this is splurging through the resistance here, let's go back to here. Let's close it out, and we'll wait for this to go through. And once that is done, we will go ahead and this is the P&L curve, by the way. So I said I'd show you results. I already showed you the results of the back test. This is just one of the random back tests of the breakout strategy. We tested it across multiple different assets, different time frames, just to get a feeling for it. You know, not everything that works in the past works in the future. So I like to test it on multiple time frames and whatnot. Let's get this out of here. So Walter is this dog thing, and okay, doesn't look too great. I mean, let's go ahead and look at the hourly. It's a little easier. Oh yeah, it doesn't look the best, but I don't know. Not here to predict ups or downs. I'm just here to put a little bit of bias into my bots by selecting the tradable tokens. So, you know, there's always going to be bias in people's bots. In this one here, there might not be too much bias, but yeah, there is at the end of the day because I built the strategy, right? So there's bias in the strategy. There's always going to be some bias in your bots. All right, so this is still going through. This is taking too long though. How is it doing this? I honestly think it'd be better for me to just code this because let's do that. Let's just raw dog this because at the end of the day, you know, AI can do it, but I need to understand every piece of this if we're gonna have this be a thing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here. So we get the symbols, okay? We've already been able to fetch the daily data. You can see this is 30 days of data, okay? But how much data did we fetch in this one for the breakout? Because I'm trying to match these up. You know, this is the quote unquote profitable back test. I mean, it's a profitable back test, but again, be wary, you know? It's not always gonna work out like it did in the past. Be very, very wary. Always, always, always. So what I want to do here is try to duplicate this. So it's not too hard. The current close has to be over daily resistance. So let's get the current close. That has to be the hourly close. So the hourly close, which is the current close, self.data.close. Data.close here. Data is hourly data here. Dot rename. Hourly.data.set indices for daily and hourly data. Okay. Hourly data is this. What I'm wondering here is how in this part of when it comes to this, I want to see that make sure that this is correct. Because bt.data, let's look at data path. Okay. Based on the below code, please explain the trading strategy and how it works exactly. And this line here, also this line here, what data frame is it getting it from and how? Okay, so the reason I'm questioning this is because here you can see it says current close is self.data.close -1, but I'm wondering where is that data from? Because I see daily data here, daily data, hourly data, and the strategy in my mind was supposed to look at daily data and then essentially go ahead and look at the hourly data to determine the breakout. So I want to make sure that that is all correct here. So you can see explanation of trading strategy. The provided code implements a breakout strategy using the backtesting.py. Capture price movements when the price breaks above a defined resistance level. Here's a detailed explanation. So data loading. The data is being loaded from a CSV file located at this. This is the daily data and the hourly data. Okay, this data contains hourly price. Okay, data processing. Both data sets are indexed by their timestamp columns to facilitate time-based operations. The hourly data columns are renamed to match the expected format for backtesting.py. Breakout strategy class inherits the strategy. Okay, initialization. Okay. Is used to initialize the strategy. It loads the daily levels into self.daily.resistance. The next method is called it fetches. Okay, breakout condition. If the current close price is above the most recent daily resistance level, it identifies a breakout. An entry is set to the current close price. The strategy places buy order if the stop loss is below the entry price. Self.data refers to the data frame of the hourly data provided by the backtesting library. When the strategy is running, self.data contains the price above high and low. Fetching the current close price, self.data close, gets the close price of the most recent bar in Python, -1. Okay, I get that. So on each hourly bar, this breakout, the strategy fetches the most recent hourly close price. It compares this price to the most recent daily resistance level. If the close price is above the resistance level, I guess please walk me through the code part that makes sure to look for the resistance level on the daily while the breakout is on the hourly. I can't tell how it is splitting them. Certainly, let's walk through these specific codes looking at the resistance levels. So here you can see loading and index. Daily and hourly are loaded and indexed by the timestamp column. This indexing ensures that we can perform time-based operations efficiently. In the init method, the daily resistance levels are loaded in self.daily resistance from the daily data frame. Daily data resistance is expected to be a column in the daily data that contains the resistance levels. Next method, get the most recent daily resistance levels for the current time. Current time is self.data. Okay, so daily resistance is self.daily resistance dot index. Check for breakout. So entry price, use the current close price. Let's break down this method here. So fetching the current time and close price. Current time is self.data -1. Current close is self.data -1. Current time gets the timestamp from the most recent hourly bar. Current close gets the close price of the most recent hourly bar. Finding the most recent daily resistance. So daily resistance is self.daily resistance. Self.daily resistance under current time. This line looks up the daily resistance level that is most recent and does not exceed the current hourly timestamp. Self.daily resistance.index under current time filters the daily resistance series to include only those entries up to the current time. iLoc1 -1 selects the last most recent entry from this filtered series. Breakout candle. So if current close is over daily resistance, entry price is current close. The strategy checks if the hourly close price is greater than the most recent daily resistance level. If the condition is checked, is met, it sets the entry price to the current close price. Calculates the stop loss and take profit. It then checks the stop loss. So I mean, this is a little sketch, I'd say, but this is the differences between backtesting and live testing, you know. So it seems to do what we want it to do. So I'm fairly confident with the backtest. That's all I was trying to do, is get more confident with the backtest, but that's half the game. Okay, so I feel a little more confident, a little bit more confident. Let's go ahead here and figure out the rest of this part. So this is fetching the data. Oh, that's the one more thing I wanted to do is, what is this data on? Here, I'm going to go to my data source here. So data from HL, and I want to see the open, high, low, close volume data here. And what's it making the range on? Process data. Get open, high, low, close volume. What's it making the 20 SMA on? I think it's 20 SMA. I just said it. What's it making the SMA on? Process data to data frame. It's a 20 SMA. Okay. So it's using the 20 SMA here. Process. It's this one right here. So support rolling minimum periods equals 1. Time period is this. Okay, so it's the 20 SMA. So I know that now, so I can put that into my hard-coded thing here. Because the strategy that we're rebuilding is this. Daily resistance on 20 day. If current hourly is over daily resistance, buy with 3% TP and 18% stop. That's it. That's super simple, right? We back tested it. It seems to do okay. I mean, it does better than buy and hold. And I just want to show you this full process here. I think I'm going to do more of these videos like this, just like the entire process, because I don't want you to go out there and start building bots right away. I want you to make sure to take this approach a little slower, research more, backtest more. And you've seen how much I've backtested before I even got into the bot. So get symbols here. Okay, so this fetches these symbols. Perfect. This goes ahead and gets the snapshot data here for those candles. But we don't need that anymore because I can just use my okay, let's make this bigger. I can use this fetch snapshot data. I can use my nice funks if they're here. It's open to the side here. Fetch. Snapshot. Get open high low close volume 2. Process data, the data frame. Well, let's just change this as it's already got it. So change that to 20 days, start time, end time. Calculate daily resistance here. This is high prices, so high in the daily data. Okay, resistance, perfect. So that calculates the daily resistance okay now. Well, perfectly. I don't need to change anything. Then check breakout. So we need the hourly snapshot now. So we also need to get the hourly data. Fetch data here. Days. Fetch daily data. Process data DF. Let's see how we did it over here in our data getter. So this here. So let's go ahead and concat. Interesting. What did I concat here? Append the. Oh, it's looping it. Okay. So I'll close that for now. Data. Let's go to breakout bot here, and let's go ahead here and get busy with it by simply saying so resistance levels here. equals calculate daily resistance. Okay, so it should get all the resistance levels, right? Because resistance levels for symbol and symbol. So it's passing in all symbols, perfect. And then it's getting all the breakout data. So print symbols. Here, let's make this much shorter. Let's mark this out for now because this is gonna take forever if we do it the other way. Symbols equals a list, right? I think it's sol. Think of with. I think of BTC. Okay. Symbols. Okay. And then let's say print resistance levels. Okay. And then hourly, get the hourly snapshot. And I'm actually going to use something different here. I'm going to use the nice funks file here. And remember, we just copied something. I can't remember what it was, but it was this. So we're going to go say snapshot data here. And I'm going to use my nice funks here. And I'm going to say this is going to be the 1 hour and iteration limit. Interesting. The F is the iteration limit. Look back days. It doesn't need to be many, honestly. Let's just do like 2. N dot isn't in there, so we got to import N dot. What is N dot? Well, that's funky funks. B import nice funks as N. That's our nice funks file that we got built here for this. And now we can calculate here. Where are we? Where art thou? Where art thou? Where did we go? Okay, here it is. So here, now this should work. So print snapshot, if snapshot data, if snapshots, if hourly snapshots. What was hourly snapshots? Okay. Honestly, it's this B. Let's change that to that. And then let's go like this. And then let's print this. I print hourly snapshots. Wait. Fetch candle snapshot. Oh, for symbol and symbol. Perfect. Okay, I think this is Gucci now, B. I don't know though. Let's run it. Running algo. Resistance levels for sol with BTC. Perfect. Okay. Sick. So where do we get stuck at? So this prints out the resistance for each of them in the last 20 days. The last 20 days resistance, I believe, because we hard coded that in, right? Yeah, right here. Days though. We don't pass, we pass and fetch daily data. Let's see here. Where do we get that? Dang, B, this is tough. Calculate resistance levels here. Okay, here. Fetch daily data of the symbol. Okay, we didn't pass anything in there. Perfect. Okay, so it's looking at the 20 resistance here. Support. Perfect. That's what we want. It's exactly what we want. But dang, why did I just close that out like a tard? I don't know, B. I don't know. I did though, so it got closed out. My bad. I hope everybody's doing well today. 777. I'll check it out. Check out the chat here in a few, B. Here in a few. Oh man, we've already been here for a minute though. So yeah, sorry. So ambiguous line 137. This is an hourly snapshots. 123. Okay, that's on breakout. Okay, 123 here. Let's check out 123 and print out hourly snapshots. Okay, so if hourly snapshots. If not, hourly snapshots dot empty. How about that, B? See if that works. Okay, nice. I think we got past it. Let's see here. So now we're on line 24. Perfect. 124. key error of -1. So here in current close 124, we actually jump up to 78 here. And wait, do we jump up to 78? Yeah, we do. Let's jump up to 78 here. Okay, 78 here is current close. Check breakout. Okay, check breakout. Why do we need to check breakout? Oh, okay, check breakout. That's why. Duh. Okay, let's go ahead here and line 22, it says feet out float currently. Okay, let's print out the snapshot data again. I think we do. Okay, it's -1 of column C. Is that the column though? Close. It's actually closed now. Okay, so we changed it. We changed it on her. That's why she's having a problem. So let's change that C to its close with a lowercase dude. So let's say C and then change this to close. Okay, close here. And then we should be moving forward. Print current close, print. Come on, B. You got this. You awake or nah? You not playing with us today? Okay. You sleepy or something? Come on, AI. Where are you? I say you're so fly all the time, but then where are you, my guy? 777 to you, dude. You can see here that I still didn't do it correctly. Okay. I feel like it's this way, but you know, we'll see. I thought like that's how I would do it, but what do I know? Haha. Okay, so it still is not working. Let's print out the hourly snapshots. I think that should give us the information we need, but I thought we already know what that is, and I think it's a data frame, but maybe not. It is a data frame. Okay, so it's the close here. I get this error. Let's just have GPT do it because it's just time, you know? Here's my code. Please fix. Here is my code. Remember, never delete my prints, please. You better remember that. I want to see the memory thing come up. Oh, I didn't see it come up, so that means you're gonna delete my prints again, B. I don't want you to delete my prints ever, dog. I knew I was supposed to be using iLoc, but you know I'm a noob, so I don't want to use iLoc by myself. Check breakout should be iLoc. That's it. I'll come say what's up here on Twitch here in a second. So if you have any questions or comments or love or anything like that, just go ahead, hit me on the Twitch. There's a link in the description. B. Let's check the breakout and let's just change this one because that's really what we need to change. Okay, you're able to see all this code, right? Let me make it a little bit smaller here so it's a little bit easier to work with. And yeah, you can have it. It's all here, dude. Check breakout. Okay, let's go ahead here and see. Let's see if this fixed it here. I think it should have. I'm gonna make this guy a little smaller. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Okay, current close, perfect. Okay, sick. So what we're gonna do now is I'm trying to make a data frame essentially of just the ones that have hit the breakout. So we can see here that we now pass in all of our data that we need. The hourly snapshots. I don't need to print that anymore. Get out of here. I don't want you anymore. I don't want you anymore either. Sorry, B. Let's go ahead here. Boom. Get the daily resistance level. Okay. Daily resistance of get symbol. What is the daily resistance level? Print. Come on, B. Where you at? This is the daily resistance. Come on, dog. Where you at? I don't know. Tap in, B. Wake up. Wake up, B. Come on, where you at? You over here tripping. Ready? Yeah, not too ready. Come on, dog. We need you today. We need you. Deactivate, disable completions. Disable completions for Python. Okay, it's disabled. Let's go ahead and restart her because we're not just gonna raw dog life like that. Sorry. Sorry, B. Not gonna just do that. Okay, let's enable her again. She's disabled. We'll enable for Python. Okay. You there now? I think you're there now. Okay, perfect. It's good to have you back, Shorty. Glad you're here. Suppose I can make this smaller here so I can see it. Boom. Now I've got all the data I need to see today. Okay, let's go ahead here and print daily resistance level. Okay, that's what we wanted to do. Print okay. Current close. I want to print current close. Print G. Oh, she's tripping all day today, huh? This is daily resistance. Remember, we're doing daily resistance and we're doing hourly. Current close is based off the hourly. So I want to see both of those things. Okay. And you can see the stop loss is 18%. Take profits 3%. Nice. Nice, dude. Nice. So this should get it for all. Okay, look at this. This is great. Current close is this. Daily resistance that in 20 days. Current close is this. Daily resistance is that. Current close is this. Daily resistance is that. So none of those hit, and that's fine. Let's go ahead and try it the real way. Yo. Nah, that's chill actually. Okay, what's the real way though? Well, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. How do we stress test this? Like I want to make sure this works. If daily closes under this, yeah. So let's go ahead and make sure to do change back to this. Okay. Okay, and then let's go ahead here and say, yeah, this will be good. This is a good way to test, just three symbols there. Breakout detected, perfect. So this would be our entry price here. This will be our stop loss, and this will be our take profit. That is so Gucci. Wow. Okay, that is nicely set up. That is very, very nicely set up. Let me go ahead, since we got the hard part done. I mean, what else do we need to do, really? It's not hard from here. Now we run it with the real symbols here. And wait, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Those aren't the real symbols, by the way, so I'm gonna delete that. Delete that line here. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. This is going to go onto that, and then that's going to tell us the stop loss and take profit, and it's going to make a CSV of essentially the tokens that we want to trade. And by we, I mean me, B. Return none. Okay, so when are we calling this? We're calling this check breakout here. check breakout here. Okay. Breakout, if breakout, breakout dot append. Okay. Breakout DF equals this. Okay. This is breakout DF. Oh, nice, dude. So it's making a breakout DF here, and it should be up in here. Yeah, dude. Look at that. Okay, sick. Now I'm gonna say what's up to everybody in the chat, in the Twitch chat, because now I'm gonna run this and it's gonna take a little bit of time. So there's 100 and some tokens here. So I'm gonna say what's up to everybody in the chat here now, and also pick some of my favorite memes again, just because this is literally my morning time and I haven't done this much today, and these are all of the poppin' memes right now on Solana. So let me go ahead and check out Twitchy Twitch. What's going on? 777 to everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Sharing love with you all day, every day. 777. So you can see this is working great. Yo, good morning, Ganesh. How are you? Yo, Joshua, welcome to the crew, bro. I'm glad you're here, dude. It's a good place to be if you're into crypto and all that good stuff, algo trading. So you can see this is now running for all of the tokens here, and yeah, this is looking good. So I'm gonna let it keep going. I can't wait to see this. I cannot wait. Let's see if there's any breakouts right now. Because remember, this pretty much does our strategy for us. So we're gonna have a data frame here, and then I'm gonna just put in the orders with stops and stops and take profits. That's it. Okay, there's all of the tokens. Now it's calculating all of the breakout prices. $9.30, so the market just opened and there's some liquidations coming through here. You can see ETH, somebody just got licked for 108K, so they should probably stop trading by hand. Holy smokes, what a morning have we seen here. Liquidations to the upside and then the downside. You can see Tesla opened up right now, down a bit. Coinbase up a bit, but got wrecked at the open. Nvidia also up and then down. So some interesting price action, but I'm not here to trade by hand. I just look at these markets sometimes to see how hand traders are gambling, and yeah, it's quite crazy. I should have changed this. But it's okay. I want to see how it works, if it works all the way through. Okay, so it's breakout detected for all of them simply because I said to have, I made it backwards just for testing. Let's see if there's any new tokens here that I'm interested in. Oh, here we go. So you can see all 128. I want to run this back actually and do it with it actually being correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it again and then we'll see how it does. All right, so now we have some licks to the upside. This is crazy price action for a morning time, and I mean it's pretty typical actually. It's not that crazy to be honest. I'm gonna pick my top four here if there's any top four. I keep looking at this guy. This dog though, it's really ugly. It's really ugly. Well, you can't even see this stuff. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. And now it's going through all the breakouts to see if it's breaking out at all. I'm having trouble picking my top four. So guess I gotta go with this Pepe. And the Shark Cat, of course. I'm gonna share my top four. And then I'm gonna go ahead and retweet anybody that shares theirs. So let's see if anybody has shared theirs today. Volatility. Let's read what this guy says. How do you trade based on volatility? Volatility. If volatility is not there, I won't look at volume. If volatility is there, nice. That's a good one. Thank you for sharing. Oh, here we go. If you tweet these, I share them automatically. Nice. Let's see here. What challenges have you faced learning algo trading? Boy, first of all, lack of information on the internet, like strategy, etc. Secondly, just the basics of how to get started, like beginner tutorials. What specifics are you looking for? Maybe I can whip up, maybe I can whip up some new vids. Oh, snap, this guy won. So I'll be sending that soon. Well, I should send that now, honestly, since I got a minute. Oh, look, no breakouts detected. Perfect. So now we're back. Go read Rob Carver's book. Who's Rob Carver? Amazon. Rob Carver trading. Advanced futures trading strategies. Copy link address. I'll buy it. Hardcover. Buy now. 41. Yeah, this is just gonna make everything better, you know? I buy this stuff because if I can read it and then, tell you the secrets, that's awesome. Right? So I just try to read everything. Try to read everything, B. So what's my total? 41.49. It's a heavy book, B, but it's all good. Anything for you, dude. Anything for you. Anything for you, my guy. And for me. It's really for me, but I'll share anything I find. Trading. I have spent $200 on books in the last 5 days. Just looking at my notes here. Okay, so we can see all the breakouts now. And there's none of them. None of them are breaking out. Okay, well, that's pretty unhelpful. Let's go here and say, I want to go ahead and take the, how do we decide? Thank you, bro. Just bought it. Okay, so perfect. I've shared my top memes twice today. So that's that. Let's go here and let's say for symbol in symbols, open orders and set take profit and stop loss. That's it. I don't want all this, but for symbol in breakout DF. Open order. Perfect. And dot open order. And elegant entry. I'm just gonna call this an elegant entry. Elegant open order deluxe. Open order deluxe. That's what we're gonna call it, dude. Why is it deluxe? Because I don't think TP. I don't think I've done it this way here on this on here. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't. I don't do it that way. So this is gonna be new stuff here. New stuff never before seen actually. I'm gonna put the symbol, take profit, and stop loss. Okay, that's it. I don't need to calculate the stop loss and stuff. Symbol, take profit, and stop loss. Symbol info. All right, that's what we're gonna build here in a second. All right, let's see how we can fix this. So, okay, two options here. Nah, I think we gotta do the deluxe. I was gonna say we could have just our P&L close running, but nah, I think we gotta do the deluxe. Kill switch. Just kill switch for position and position. Kill switch. Symbol account. So this closes the order. Perfect. But we're not gonna do it that way. I want to go ahead and investigate because I haven't done this yet. I usually use the kill switch a different way. I use a P&L close instead of a stop loss. So I'm gonna go ahead and investigate this. Hyperliquid documentation. Hyperliquid documentation. Okay. GitHub. API. Dev. SDK. Assets. Examples. Hyperliquid basic adding, basic order, basic market order, basic spot schedules, basic spot to perp, basic sub to basic transfer, basic withdrawal, cancel open orders. Really is just the basic order, maybe modify basic order with ID, basic leverage adjustments. We have that basic adding. Market open. I'm looking for someone with stop losses. All right, so I need the stop loss and take profit. Let's say hyper liquid stop loss. I'm gonna open up my Discord here and see if I can find something in there. So here we go, is the Discord. And let's go ahead and say does anyone know how to example put stop loss in the API? This is literally me. Literally me. And that was like 2 years ago or a year ago. Okay, look at this. This is awesome. It's awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. Okay, so this works for the stop loss. Def main confound account, place order, testnet stop. At least they say so. So let's go ahead here and let's put it in here. Let's check it out. Utils.config, okay. I'm gonna move this out of here for now and get back to here. Trigger. Do I say that somewhere else? Yeah, right there. Okay, let's go ahead here and say config, okay. Testnet, constants.testnet, exchange, okay. Order results, order is by 0.02 amount. Okay, this is how we do a stop loss. Above is how we put an order in using a stop loss and take profit. And then let's go ahead to our regular order. Limit. Let's get this running here again so we can have an example. And I'm going to change this to this again. Okay. Just want that example of how the breakouts are going to look. Please update with a new function using this below, using my limit order in combination with the above stop loss type order to make a function called open order deluxe, which will connects to the exchange like I do in the second function, but then it puts in the order like it does in the first function. I've started this code. Scroll down to the bottom where we started this code here. And then as you can see, I pass in symbol info, which will be a row of a df like below. So trending, let's go find that data frame here. So trending symbol, breakout tokens, okay. You can see that this symbol info has the stop loss and take profit already in there. And the entry price, which we will use as the limit order price. Please output the full function. Okay, let's see if they can do that. I hope that was a good prompt. I hope that made sense to you. It made sense to me, dude. So I can only hope that it made sense to you as well. Jane, good morning, 777. So glad that you are here and you have arrived. So let's see what GPT does here. So you can see here that it went ahead and made the open orders deluxe. Symbol is symbol. Yep, this is perfect. Okay. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see how it does here. It's not going to work right away, but that's okay. Orders are flying through here, as you can see. Okay. So let's go ahead and close this now. Okay. And we'll see here how this works. So it says config, get config. I don't want all that, but Web3, import Web3. Okay. Why do you need Web3, B? Let's delete all of this. I need to get my limit order here. Just because this is not getting connected to the exchange like we want it. Pass in the account as well. How do we do this in a limit order though? We pass in the account. Interesting. So limit order, we pass in the account. Okay. Where is the account at though? Account. Account. Do we have it up here? Are we passing the kill switch here? Okay, but what about the account? Well, let's go look at one of our old data, one of our old bots here. And we can see here that we do pass in the account here. So account 1 is this. Okay. Let's put this in our bot here. So I'm gonna close this, and I'm also gonna close this, and I'm gonna close this because now I'm getting confused. Close this, close this, close this. Readme here, that's for us. Nice funks here, that's for us. Okay, breakout bot here. We want to get the account here, so let's go ahead and say account 1, ETH account. Oh snap. So let's go back to that one here that we have, and this one should get the ETH account and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead here and import all this stuff just in case. Well, not just in case, we need it. We need it for sure, for sure. We can remove the time and schedule. Time we can remove. Schedule we can remove. Requests we can remove. Pandas we can remove. Remove that. Okay. Nice func says end twice. Okay. Don't share config. Secret. Perfect. Okay. So I think this is Gucci now. And I can go down here and I say open deluxe order, but I need to also pass in the account 1. Like that. Okay. So now we're passing in deluxe order. We're passing the symbol here. Let's go to the bottom here and see what's Gucci over here and see if we got everything underlined. Printing. Okay. Print connected to the exchange. Symbol. Nice. We'll delete this. Symbol is buy, entry price, good till off. Entry price is that. So are these 3 different orders we're putting in? That's weird. I mean, is that what the Discord said? I mean, let's try it out. That's all we can really do. So let's see if we get this order in here. How much is it for, though, is the question. So I'm just gonna do it on whiff only because I don't know the other ones. Price. I know the price of this one I can afford. So symbol size. We need to pass in size, bro. Order size. Order USD size. Let's just put that here for now. Order USD size equals 1. Okay. And then here we need to pass that in as well. So order USD size. Order USD size here. Okay. And then when we put a limit order in, how do we do that? Position size here. Position size is this. Position size is absolute size. It's the kill switch though. Is by size. Okay, size is this. How do we do it here? When we're saying limit order, position size here. How do we get position size here? Well, symbol leverage account. Okay. So let's use this to change that. So let's put leverage here, and I'm gonna use just a tiny bit of leverage because I saw the drawdown of that and I know it can handle 3. I mean, I don't know if that's for real, so it might get licked. It might get licked, B. So for symbol and symbol here, let's adjust size first. Leverage position size. Okay, so here, and we go here, and this adjusts the leverage here, so that's great. The account value is 95%, so it's not really what I want to do for this one. I see what's happening. So I'm actually gonna make a new one here. And this is gonna be adjust size, adjust leverage size. And USD size. Okay, so we pass in the symbol and the leverage and the account. Off a specific USD dollar amount. Okay, so that's nice here. Account value is this, and I think it's just this, B. Leverage account. Symbol USD size. Okay. And then we would just say this times leverage. So I'll just delete that. Okay, I think that should be Gucci now. So this should update the leverage to whatever leverage we have set. It should say price is getting the ask bid. And then it's going to go ahead and say size is USD divided by price. And that's going to get the size because it's going to round it, do all that thing, those things we need here. and then we're gonna go ahead and say size here. So here I'm gonna go ahead and essentially scroll down to, or scroll back to new dot this, and I'm gonna pass in all of this information. So let's just copy it over nicely and slowly here. USD order size. Here it is. And I'm actually going to move that here to be at the top. So, okay. So USD order size is, let's say $5. Well, it's $10 is the minimum, I believe. So let's do that. So we're passing in order size, leverage, and then the account one. Perfect. So USD size. Now this is Gucci to be out of here. Get out of here, B. I don't want you here anymore. I want you here, but not that here. Not that. Not that. Not that. So it's good to have everybody here. 777. Much love to everybody out there. I'm using Hyperliquid on this one, Jane. Okay. Please do me a favor and smash the like button if you haven't already. All right, I just set a poll up, so go ahead and hit that poll. Hit the do what it does, and I'll keep streaming here for the until this is done. And if you get that done, then I keep going until I'm done, and I'm gonna show you every single step of the way here. We're building on Hyperliquid today, so Hyperliquid is a perp dex. Okay, so let's keep it going here. So let's see if this actually makes the order. I don't think it will, but let's make sure there's enough prints here. Oh, I should probably put all of this here. I just wanted to check really quickly before I go too deep into this, because I feel like I've done this somewhere, but okay. I'm gonna mark this out so it doesn't throw any errors. I'm gonna make sure there's a bunch of prints here. So take profit. Opening order. Okay, I think this is Gucci. So let's run this and see if we can get an order through. Just testing right now. So it's only using one token. Says leverage is now set to 3, and that's awesome. Status, okay. Response, okay. With this is the price with 0 decimals. This is the price, 0 decimals. That doesn't look right, but with this is the price. Let's go ahead and say this is the print bid ask. This is the ask. think there's an error there. This is the ask. Print ask string. I see this error. Don't worry about that. I'll fix that in a second. I haven't even got to that one yet. Haven't even got to that one. Go ahead and tap that like button. Every like helps so much. So I appreciate you guys all for being here. Pass that love by hand to Lizzie. Oh, as size decimals. I was like, what is going on there? So this is the price. I'm just gonna put ask in there for now. Okay, we can remove all of this now. Let's delete it. Save it. Okay. This says it takes five positionals, but 6 were given. So let's go look at that here, the bottom. So it needs the order, symbol info. I want this to grab the whole row. Because this just needs the symbol info, the USD size. It shouldn't need the take profit and stop loss. Because it's got the symbol info. Okay. So since it doesn't need that, then we can delete these here. All of these actually. Now that should match up maybe. So it should just be 3 things that we're passing in. Perfect. I think it should pass in the whole breakout DF. That inner rows. Yeah, dude. Print F. This is. Okay, let's do that first. Save both sides. Save both sides. Okay, let's go ahead and run it back. Run it back, B. Run it back. Just keep running it back until the job is done, B. This is the symbol info here. Okay, look at that symbol info. Symbol, take profit. Okay. Entry price. Okay, this is symbol info here. Let's make this a little easier to read, actually. Print symbol info. I guess you got to see the structure of this. Then this says down here, it says symbol info in 169 or 162 of breakout brought 162s right here. Okay, that was probably that. This is position changing. Oh, we need to pass in the symbol here. The symbol equals symbol equals symbol info. One, print f passing symbol two, adjust leverage. Okay. All right, sick. And then we're going to pass in the symbol info here and say print. This is the symbol info. I don't know if that's going to work actually. Print opening order. Oh, so this worked fine here for symbol info, but what symbol? It needs to be updated here to be symbol info or symbol. I'm just going to update it because I forget. Update this so it grabs the symbol from the DF correctly. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that was weird. Thinking that looked a little weird, but do we even use symbol though? Let's go ahead and look at the breakout data. Yeah, we do. Okay, let's go back to the breakout bot here and say this here. Okay, symbol equals that, symbol info, print symbol, okay. Now let's go ahead and run it and it should adjust the leverage, okay. Here, and keep smashing that Lizzie. Every time you hit the like, I just keep going, I'm gonna keep going. That motivates me so much, please, thank you. Print symbol info here. Okay, this looks like an error here. That's mala mia. Mala mia, mala mia. It's okay, we'll get it done here. The error. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? A breakout bot. 161 and breakout bot. That's here. Okay, let's do it this way then, dude. Use iLock, bro. We gotta use iLock here. Use iLock. I don't need all this, baby girl. Thank you for it, but I don't need it all. Uh-oh, she's doing this thing today. Just send me back this function. It's interesting. It just keeps doing this, but let's see if we can figure this out. This is not hard stuff here. I'm just being a little slow today, as usual. Okay, so now it's doing it correctly, which is nice. Nice, dude. Look at this symbol info opening order for with. Yeah, perfect. Oh, snap. It's actually yeah, that's fine. Here, I'm just gonna rename this stuff to SL and stop loss. SL. It's gonna be TP. SL. TP. Okay, this is great because SL. This is we've made it all the way here, and this is the hard part. This is the hard part, dude. So if you have any questions or anything, please do let me know. And I'm gonna pick my new top 4 here, just because it's been about an hour, and I need to pick my top 4 every hour, or else I'm gonna miss some. These are top volume tokens on Solana, so I like Solana right now. I like this little guy. Shark Cat every time. It's Kermit still though. And this dog. So I have the same top 4 pretty much. I mean, it changed up a little bit. So let's go ahead and post it. And anybody that posts their stuff, I go ahead and retweet it as well. So feel free. Go ahead and run this and see if we can get it to run. The orders are flying in right now, as you can see at the bottom. Oh, big lick on BTC here. So price is going down. You can see opening order for whiff. Okay. Stop loss is not defined. Oh, my bad. I didn't change that one. Big lick, big. Oh my goodness. That's a $3 million lick right there. That's the biggest one I've seen in a minute. Where we at? Okay, that's holy smokes. Yeah. That really wrecked somebody right there. 3 mil. I haven't seen that in a week. But I haven't been watching it all times. Just like I would mark this point right here as a massive liquidation. That's all I'm doing. Because I have a theory that I'm just kind of watching. Just watching slowly, if you know what I'm saying, dude. There's no speed that's needed here. But if you want to be fast, that's fine. I go slow. Because I know we got time. That was a major liquidation here, so I want to see how price reacts to it. We'll keep an eye on it. I put that line there, and we can come back to it. Okay, let's go back here. It says stop loss is not defined, and nice funks 1082. I didn't save it, bro. The Moondev mistake. Typical. So you can see here, let's see if it goes ahead and puts the order in. Oh, nice. Nice. Invalid size. Okay, so all of them didn't work, but hey, at least it this USD size is incorrect. That's why I forgot about that part. So this actually gets the position size that we want, and that's gonna be right there. So boom. This might work, dude. That'd be amazing. This is what happens when you just build on top of what you're building, you know? I teach all this stuff in the boot camp in case this is too fast for you. I teach literally everything and I show you all of my code. And I try to show as much code as possible here on YouTube. But of course, I have to work. I have to keep moving forward. So I have all of the nice functions and all that good stuff. Everything is there. So you can see it's still having the error. So let's go ahead here and say order size. Size like that. Okay, let's go ahead and see where we went wrong here. This should pass back the size, position size here. You can see size. Print. This is the size of crypto we will be using. Okay, and then paste in size here and size. Okay, there. And then we'll say here in the, oh, look at that. That's why. My bad. It's invalid size because I didn't put the size in there, bro. That's my bad. Typically is. These orders are absolutely going crazy here. I have a lot of different ideas to work with this liquidation data here, and a $3.3 million liquidation is huge. Let's see if we can get another one. Let's get them all. Let's get them all. Let's liquidate everybody. No, I'm just kidding. I hope you're not out there right now trading by hand, because these are all hand traders that are getting liquidated. I can assure you of that, because algorithmic traders don't get liquidated. There's zero reason for an algo trader to ever get liquidated. Liquidation costs are crazy. Another huge liquidation. Holy 4.7. Holy. That is wild. This is definitely the biggest licks I've seen in a long time. $8.1 million. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's a massive, massive moves here. That's insane. I haven't seen this in a long, long time. Now we're just getting started. This is how we shake everybody out. Gotta shake everybody out. Oh, Coinbase down bad. Dang, this is wild. It's a major, major liquidation there. Really amazing to see live like this. I'm shocked every day. Every time I see that, every time I see something like that, holy smokes, you know they're getting wrecked. They're having a bad, bad day. But my hypothesis is the market makers move to these huge liquidations and then reverse it. So we'll see throughout this stream if that's true or not. I'm not here to say it's actually true or not, but we'll see. We'll see. Tesla down bad. Not that bad, but yeah, this is amazing. This is such an edge right here. That's why it's like one of the first things in the boot camp I have you build. So day zero, I have you build this because I think it's one of the best things, one of the best data sources here to look at. Now, I'm not saying it's going to reverse right now. I'm just saying that if somebody is in $8 million of position, they don't want to sell. So this right here is just, these bars are them getting liquidated. They're not trying to sell. These are hand traders that went long up here. They don't want to sell at all. So that's why I watch these liquidations come in and you can see 8 million right off the top like that. Some wild behavior. That's some wild, wild behavior. Let's keep working on our bot here. We'll keep an eye on those liquidations at the bottom. This is my sniper bot running. These are the liquidations. These are the massive liquidations here. You saw a couple huge ones came in here. Dang, it's actually more than, yeah, it's even more than I thought. But yeah, so people are getting wrecked here, and while they get wrecked, I'm gonna pick my top four. I already got my top four, so I shared my top four here. These are all the Solana highly traded in the last hour. So every hour, it's always watching the top hour volume, and we're building out a bot here on Hyperliquid. So let's go ahead and keep it building. So now that those are fixed, I think I said size on all three of these. Yeah. The unfortunate part is I can't log on to the exchange right now because I can't jump on the V. So Nice. It's resting. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So invalid stop loss price asset 98. Okay. I'm going to cancel this order if I can. I feel like I should be able to set the orders here. Oh, you know what? I think I have this somewhere. Yes, Moon. Yes. I love when you do that. Keep doing that, please. I'm gonna go dark. Keep doing that, dude. I love this stuff so much. I always have it somewhere else and I can just always get it faster because we've been here for so long now. Every single day for the last long time. I don't know how many years it's been, but time is irrelevant, dog. So I'm just gonna keep going. I don't know about you, dude, but I'm gonna keep going. You can do what you want to do, dude, but I'm gonna let everybody else trade by hand, and I'm just gonna keep vibing out here with the algos, man. Because these liquidations, I do not want them to be me. No, 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 not me. So I'm gonna stick with the algos. You do you, though. All right. If you need my help, I can help you. I'm here every day. I'm here every day, dog. No way. Did I delete it? Oh, so sad. I might have deleted what I was looking for. I'm looking on my server right now. That's trash. Private. It's market order. SL. TP. No TP in that one. No dice, B. No dice. No easy ways out here. It's all good. I like it, dog. I like it the hard way. We gotta write this by hand. That's fine. So let's see. Trigger price is this. Okay. I think it just needs to be a string, B. So we know this order works. Let's put a time dot sleep here so we don't order again. Time dot sleep. Actually, let's just mark it out for now. So we're not gonna put it in the order anymore. This works. Let's put a to do here. To do. Uh, unmark out because it's working. I just need to test the stop loss and take profit. Okay. What I want to see here particularly is the print F entry price and the type of the entry price. So I just say type. Okay, then I'll be able to see the type of the take profit as well. Saved up. Okay. So now we're trying to put the orders in with a stop loss and a take profit. Yo, why didn't it save? That's super weird. Float. Entry price. Sheesh, that's not what I wanted actually. Well, is it? Entry price here. Oh, I didn't put a sleep. That's why. So it did what it did. Class is a float. Okay. Okay, so we got that. That's good. Um, what's my internet speed? Invalid take profit stop loss price. I need to look this up. So, sorry, this is a little distraction, but my internet upload speed is fast. Why does it upload slow? Just uploading a video right now and it's taking ages to upload, but I have like mad fast internet. I just feel like it'd be so much easier to debug if I could jump onto that internet or jump onto the exchange, but I can't jump onto the exchange because I'm uploading a video and I'm on a VPN. I can't get on a VPN to break that video upload. So I'm not gonna do it, but does this have a try to figure that out later, but it's annoying. Cause these floats look good. Here, I'm gonna hard code this in and to see if this fixes it. Because you can see it's supposed to be, let's say pix here. Okay, that's not it. Say leverage. We've got this thing here that somewhere here. It's this right here. Okay, we're gonna put both through this. Let's see here. Let's just put this here and get the rounding here. And then just say round, TP, and stop loss. Okay, there we go. Let's try it out now. So this is getting the rounding again for the symbol. The symbol's that. Size of 9, okay. Keep it going, baby. Take profit 4.0. That's not right. That's not right. Sorry. It's the wrong rounding. Price decimals. So we need to do 2, 0, 2, 0, 1. Sorry. Forget we're coders now. We're coders, baby. So let's say that's gonna work better. I mean, it should. Not for sure, but yeah. So you know how I've been on a trip, right? So I'm back now. My upload speed says it's like 600, but it's actually not, or it doesn't feel like 600 at least. It's not iterable. Oopsies. That's why. I saw what's happening here. Looks like another BC. Oh, that's BCH. I was gonna say another BTC liquidation. Nice. It got it. All right, that's what it was. Perfect. So now it has the stop loss and the take profit in there. Perfect, dude. All right, that's it. That's it. We did it. Now what? Yo, this is so sick. What else do we need to do here? Because since we're breaking out here, this breaks out. This is how we get our breakout bot. And from there, it's putting the stop loss and take profit in there. We don't need any of these. Yo, that's it, dog. Here, let's change it. Let's change it to a new symbol here and say soul. But this is gonna be multiple symbols. Remember, I'm gonna get symbols a programmatic way. We're looking for a specific strategy, and that's a breakout strategy, and we've already done all that here. So that's quite nice. So you can see this one's soul. Let's see if it opens the order. Oh, I don't have the order open. So let's go ahead and unmark this here. I need to think this through after we do this. So after we do this, I'm gonna grab some water and then I'm gonna think it through. What else do we need? Because you know there's always something I miss. But this, I like this because that's the soul size, $10. Yeah, that sounds about right. Limit price. Okay, it got the order IDs. Oh my God. This is amazing. All right, so we opened an order for Soul too. Um, okay, so now let's think this through. Let me get some water and then I'm gonna think it through. I think what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and change this stuff back while I think about the stuff that we're missing. You know, because you know that always it's always how it goes. I took a lot of time on this, you know. I took multiple days, and I hope that makes it super clear the process, right? Process to automate your trading, at least the one that I live by. You know, do you? If you're a DGen right now, gambling by hand on the charts, and you want to be a DGen with trading bots, then those DGens are just going to jump to bots and get wrecked. But you know, I'm trying to show you what I actually do. Well, I that's all I can really do actually is show you what I do because I'm not out here just making videos to make videos. I'm out here working essentially. So you're just in my office here every single day, and I'm grateful you're here. That's why I you know put it down into a 3-step process for me and you. Really, everything here is for me and you. I'm doing my work. And I'm glad you can join. So much love to you, 777. Throw that like on the video. Throw that 777 in the chat. This is the process that we've broken down over a few days. Research trading strategies, backtest those trading strategies, and then implement into bots if they are profitable. If they're profitable. So we backtested, we stress tested a bit, and now we implement it into a bot. Let's go ahead and run this bot. This bot is going to scan through every single token on Hyperliquid and figure out, okay, that didn't work. Oh my God, it's because I effed up. It was my bad. So I need to change this to get symbols instead of our test symbols. I'm just gonna say for testing quickly. It's gonna go through every single symbol and look at the daily, see what the resistance is. And once we break daily resistance, it's gonna look for hourly break and resistance and long that hourly break with a certain stop loss and take profit. And yeah, that's pretty cool because we built it all here. You saw the entire process, so every single piece of it that I've used, you've every single piece, every single code that I have used, you've seen it here. It's all in this video. So you can see it's getting the resistance levels, and while it does that, I want to go ahead here and go to just another bot that is finished because then I can just be like, okay, well, do I have everything in there for real or not? Let's go to this 3-1. It doesn't matter. These are all very similar. So let's scroll down here and think about things. So let's get a note sheet out. Yeah. Oh, you know what I've been wanting to use a little bit? Just because everybody's hyping this up so hard. Let's use a little of this app called Notion. Your connected workspace for wiki And this way I'll be able to share this stuff with you, or I don't know. We'll see how this turns out if I stick. I like to use my notes, my Apple Notes, but they're clearly lacking a lot of things, you know? Log in, get Notion free, okay? Continue with Google. For personal use, continue. Personal finance, to-do list, habit tracker, project tracking. Let's do project tracking, right? Okay. So, project planner, change cover. Change cover for sure. I don't like it. I'm just gonna do this one for now. It's the one I like the most so far. Okay. Project planner. You can see it's getting all the resistance levels here. Oh yeah. Okay, trading bots. Trading algorithms. The process of automating your trading starts with research of trading strategies, then backtest those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. If they do, they are not guaranteed, but much more likely to work in the future. RBI, research, backtest, implement, research. You can't even see this, huh? Research, trading strategies, and alpha generation. Oh, look at this. It's actually opening a position right now. So let's see here. This is our algo. Dang, we need to. We're still thinking through it. It's breaking. It's not breaking, but oh, there's only one position it would be opening though, and it opened it. Resting statuses, sick, bro. So the price. This is the price here. The entry price is 8481. So it's pretty much market ordered. Stop loss is that. And then, okay, sick, dude. So now what's it gonna do? Yeah, this is good. This is good. What's it gonna do here? It's gonna run every 15 minutes. Oh, that's something. Boom. Build the bot. So one of the things I need to do here is make sure the bot only enters if no open position. That's one thing I need to do right now, actually. So that's why I put it on here. Okay, this is pretty easy to use. Research, backtest, and alpha generation techniques. Google Scholar, YouTube, Reddit. It's really YouTube, Google Scholar, but it's really in books. YouTube, podcasts, and honestly, I'm trying to rank these in order actually. So okay. Backtest, use. No, it's not 2 years minimum. Use pass open high low close volume data in order to backtest your the strategy. And oh, look at this. It's gonna keep ordering. See, that's why I need to order that right now. I need to do that right now. For index and index, if index, okay. If symbol, not position, okay. I'm gonna kill this for now because I want to finish writing this out. Use open high low close data in order to backtest the strategy. If profitable, implement. I'll just say that. Implement. If the backtest is profitable, implement into a trading bot with tiny size and scale slowly as results match backtest. Well, I don't want to like say how to scale. That's how I look at it, but this is me. This is just for my stuff. This is for me to see, you know. Hide description, no way. Oh, look, big lick on ETH. Let's see what's going on. So I didn't see any liquidations earlier on ETH. I would say ETH gotta come down here and liquidate people, but I don't know. I'm not here to make predictions. So you can see coin down bad, Tesla, down, Nvidia ish down. Interesting, ETH is still holding up. All right, let's keep going here though. So trading algorithms, how to build. This should be research. Research trading strats and alpha generation. Back test. How do you even, is checklist one word or two words? I'm gonna use one. All right, so sick. I don't know what is this thing though. I don't want a deadline here. I'm gonna say done for this one, done for this one, and in progress for this one. Okay, what are some things that we built here so I can just remember for next time? Um, connected to the account, connects to the exchange. I don't need to do that. That's a very basic one, B. implement risk, implement strategy into bot, implement risk controls into bot. Double check, make sure size and price decimals are correct for orders. How do I add more? Implement buys and sells. See what I can put a new sub item here. For take profit and stop loss. For orders with TP and SL. For order with P&L close. I guess I don't need those. Okay. I feel like I'm done with that though. So I'm just gonna put done. Make all of them done? Not all of them. That's okay. I don't really care about that too much. Implement buys and sells. Implement risk controls. Okay. Make sure the bot only opens. Make sure US size. Size and price. All floats. Okay. Nice. That's big. That's big. Use backtesting.py in order to backtest. Test on multiple symbols. Well, optimize the backtest to find best variables plus analyze matrix. Backtest on multiple symbols and timeframes to build confidence. That's really what it is. I mean, it's really what it is, B. It is what it is. To build confidence, define the scope of renovation. Backtest. All right, so I think that's lightweight. That's lightweight, but Let's just go ahead and delete this one for now. Delete. It's my first time really using this. Well, like in depth like this. I just need something that I don't think about, I don't have to think about what to do. Like right now, I'm running into this error. Set up the while true schedule run. It'd be nice if I could open. Stop it, B. Okay. Yeah, this is way better than Apple Notes. I gotta give it to him. I gotta give it to him. This is way better than Apple Notes here. So I'm just gonna use this for everything here on out. Just delete this. So this ain't how we doing it from here. That's ugly. It's the ugly way, B. This is beautiful. I get it. I get it now. I get it why everybody uses it. Makes sense. It makes sense. So how do we get exposure to it though? That's the real question. Is Notion a private company or a public company? Notion, Crunchbase. Contacts. 500 employees. Series C, founded in 2016. Okay, well, looks like it's just a private company, so it's cool. Had to check. It's a good product. I like it. Okay, so implement buys and sells. Orders are flying in. Let's go ahead and make sure to, this is in progress. Good. Mm. Let's see if I can make this better. Sorry, I'm like nerding out now over here on this, so I'm just gonna get up out of here. Okay. Let's implement trading bot. Let's delete this one here. Okay. So I got this all set up here. So now I don't have to think. I'm just gonna go on autopilot and I'll add anything that's needed here to that. And you can see it's all right here. So I think the first thing we need to do here is for that symbol here, let's go ahead and make sure to only order if we don't already have a position. So check if we have a position of that symbol. Yup. Yup. If not, I'm in position. Yep. Yep. It's exactly what we want. All right. Not in position. Not in position. Position for. Okay. And then else. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want all of that. That's all I want. There we go. That'd be cool if GPT was listening to me right now on GitHub Copilot. That'd be dope. That'd be dope. That'd be dope. They should add that for sure. They should absolutely add that. Actually, matter of fact, they better add that. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this a little faster because, well, I guess it doesn't matter which one we use. Let's do it for both. Yeah. Let's test both. So I think we should have a whiff position at this point. We've been doing a lot of testing with it, so we'll see. We shall see. Let's go ahead and here and print resistance levels. Okay. Let's just go ahead and run it. And I think this should do what we wanted it, because now we're checking if I'm in position here. Oh, but the thing we don't check, or we fixed, it's neither of these are breaking out. Neither of these are breaking out anymore, at least. And since that's the case, I had to switch that back. Breakout detected. It's not real, but big lick here on Solana. So that's interesting. We've had over $8 million of liquidations here. So this will be the size. Okay, wait. Is it? I thought that we were in position. I don't know. Are we? Maybe we're not. Maybe we're not. Now what's going on in Turbo? So let's see what it does there. Already in position for Turbo. Okay. So we weren't in position for whiff. Look, that just worked. That was awesome actually. Because that showed everything we needed. That did exactly what we needed. You know, it showed that hey, we weren't in position for whiff. So it went ahead and put the buy order, the other limit order, the take profit and stop loss. I sure hope those work. I sure hope they're working, because that video is still uploading. It's wild. And I know it's something weird with my ISP or something. Like, I hope they're not listening right now, but they're doing some funny business. Maybe it's the router or something that's slowing it down. I get the Wi-Fi is slower when you're doing Wi-Fi, but yo, what up, Doug? What up, Captain Blockchain? How are you guys? I want to add another one, honestly. Check uh, LaunchBot. 'Cause, with tiny size. 10 is hyper liquid minimum. So start there. Okay. Is that what I did? That's what I did. I do what I say, B. Already in a position for turbo. 15 minutes might be a little long now. Let's do every 1 minute. How about that? Okay, set up the whole schedule run every minute or so. Ready to get to it, Doug says. Good morning, good morning. Okay, so it's still entering into with, oh, we got to make sure to cancel orders. Yo, so I wonder why. Okay, let's see what the price is. The price is 328. Entry price is 328.75. It shows filled actually. So let's see if this actually works because, oh, this is a P&L perk for turbo. 10%. Um OID. So this one says it's filled. So I want to see if it goes ahead and says the thing is again. The if it tries to order again. If it does, then I don't think it's good. That reminded me of something though, and that's why I'm making this list. Checking it twice. Cancel all orders before opening an order. And I might already do that. I hope I do at least, but I don't think so, to be honest. So let's go check out our order. Yeah, I don't do that. So I know I have a cancel here. Cancel all orders. Yep. I'm just gonna put it a couple places, B. Let's see here. Just gonna put it right there. Am I sure I want it there though? Yes. Hmm. I wonder how we can cancel all the orders, but just for a symbol. I'm sure I just pass in the let's see here. Go to definition here. Cancel for cancel coin. Got it. So order, open order. Wait. Do I have it? I don't know if I have it. I don't know if I have it. You can see that it breakout detected for whiff. Nice. It didn't order it. Wait, what's going on here? How's it closing the position? Kill switch has been called. Okay, we need to come back to this. What do I do here? How do I get like a note sheet? Figure out how to cancel orders per coin instead of all coins. Super simple. Okay, that's what we're gonna do next. But for now, you see it's closing the position. It hit close all positions. We have this weird function here somewhere. And check breakout, no. Oh my goodness, these orders are flying. ETH, look, it's getting licked. Oh my goodness gracious. There we go. I told you it was gonna go down there and liquidate this guy at least. It might even have another one here. But I told you. Yo, I told you. Shut the F up, Moondev. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. I just be marking these liquidation points because they're super interesting. This was $8 million of liquidations right here. And that suggested that like, there was no ETH liquidations though. Well, I guess there was actually. But whatever. Whatever. So this is the weird thing here. And it was coming from it was from this and max position size, get position and max position size. I don't want that. I just want to get position. So I have this function. Yeah, and I don't need to use it. So get position, say, huge ETH lick. Whoa. All right, half a mil off the rack like that. Big licks today, big licks. Robinhood has a nice little pullback. You know I hate Robinhood, but when there's that much bias there. Okay, I want to go ahead here and only enter if not. Get position. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna use that one instead. That was Mala Mia. So whatever though, it's funny because it worked out because that one was up like 9%. But there's leverage, so it's up 9%. You know? It says max positions here. That so I can pass in this get position. Or I can pass in this get position. And it has max positions on it. That's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Yo, yo, I can't believe I share. I literally put all this here. It's all on YouTube, dude. And I'm gonna keep doing it. I shock myself sometimes. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure that this is get position. Kill switch. This is gonna be better. Okay, there we go. Now we should enter into both these positions. They should both show as true, but I need to send it back. I need to set it back. I need to set it back. Remind that. Remind me of that. Here. Double check. Turn any debugging back to normal. I won't ever have to ask that again. Yo, I like this Notion thing. It's cool with me. It's cool with me. I'm not a big fan of this big thing, but here's the notes that I was working on before. So let's go look at those. Why you gotta be so big, B? Oh, that's way better. Oh, and it didn't get me out of position because it's not doing market closes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So it's already in a position for turbo. Now it's down. It's down back. Holy moly. BTC getting another 2 mil off the top. I need to change the title to this video because this is getting gnarly out there, fellas. Let's go ahead here and open it up here. Oh, another 3 mil. No. This is wild. So I gotta put that a marker there too, because this was another 3 mil. Wow, wild stuff here. So you can see all the liquidations, all the orders coming through here. So these were the $12 million in liquidations, I think. 12 million now. It's really insane, dog. I don't understand it either. I don't understand it either. Wondering why people get liquidated 10, 12 mil, 3 mil. 3 mil right off on this one. 3 mil here. So two big positions today. Already in a position for turbo. Turbo's down bad. Actually, it's 0.41. It's not down bad. But that's amazing. I think this is it. Let's go ahead here and work on this a little bit because I want to cancel the orders by, maybe I have that already though. Cancel. I might already have that. Oh, I just do this, dude. Here, I'm not gonna do it because I'd rather do it more of a way that's here forever. But I could have just, I could have just made a use the line of code. It's just one line of code, but it's okay. I'm not going to do that way. I'm going to go ahead and do it this way. Cancel symbol orders count, and then also I'm gonna move in the symbol here. Okay, and I'll delete all this and just do cancel. I don't know if that's gonna work though. Let's print open orders here. And then let's go put this here in the function that we made. And the symbol will be, put this down here then. Cancel orders, account, and then symbol. Okay. Time. Let's run it back. Short liquidated on Turbo. That's funny because that's the token that we're trading. Order has 0 size. What's going on there? Lot of liquidations today. A lot of licks. I'm just gonna do this with only with here. But it seems like whatever we did here is working. But did we just... Oh, okay. I'm gonna take this out so we can only see one. It's gonna be much better. This is symbol with size. No, that's Turbo. Open above are the open orders. Need to cancel any. With size is 0, not in position for... Oh, it's because I updated the size. Yup. No. Yeah, look at that. Okay. I updated the position size. Yeah, okay. Let's make this size. And then pass in size here. Yeah, okay. I was wondering what's going on with that, dude. It says error order has 0 size. So there we fixed that. Mm. And I'm just gonna test something here. I'm gonna put the price there, entry price as something I pick. Oh man, I gotta change back a lot of stuff. Change back entry price. Deluxe and in main entry price. Okay. Entry price we're gonna put as $2. Okay. So now it's gonna enter at 2, and then we're gonna be able to test our cancellation. Entry price 2, good. Resting, perfect. Open order on a whiff. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now let's go up to the cancel symbol orders here. Print orders, time dot sleep. Five, 6 seconds. Okay, so this is the where we wanted it. Okay, but you know, that's cool and all, but I want to see here if this works. Really? Oh my goodness. Oh snap, that just messed things up. I'm just gonna try exchange.cancel. Exchange.cancel and then the symbol. Let's see if that works. Okay, that doesn't work, but that's fine. Let's just not do it that way then. I was just being trying to be lazy, but you know how that goes. Try to be lazy, you might as well just do it the first way, you know? So let me just go ahead and put 6 seconds here again. And so I've got this code here. ChatGPT. I've got this code above, and it cancels. Oh, snap, snap, snap. Cancels all orders in the open orders, but really I just want it to cancel the orders for the symbol, which is the coin in the print open orders below. Please update the code to do so. I could have just been done with that. I should have just gone straight for the jugular and just do it right the first time. Just do it right the first time, dog. That's all. I'm just gonna do it right the first time from here on out. That's why I started my little notion here, is because now I don't have to sit here and try to think. Period. Oh my God, another 400 off the rack. Check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, so I mean, this thesis of buying there is not a thing. It's 10 million, and I mean, I don't know. It's just yeah, that's fine actually. It just depends on your time frame. Shouldn't really be looking at these charts. It's just nice for intraday, but you can see a 1% move from the 10 million liquidation. And then how much more has there been? There's been 4 or 5 million more. So that's interesting to watch. Interessante. Let's go ahead here and try this new code out. This one should work. Looks good to me. Yeah, if coin equals symbol. That makes sense. Canceling order. Okay. That looks pretty legit. Above are the open orders, and then it canceled that order. Nice. So now let's go ahead and run it back. And then there should be 3 orders, maybe. Yeah, there should be 3 orders. Exactly. Yep. Look, A, B. So A's are, yep, the stop loss and take profit. Yup. All right, sick. These are reduce only trues. All right, this bot works great. So far it's funny because the video is still uploading. It's crazy, huh? So I can't I can't jump on the V. That's wild, huh? Oh my goodness. That was refreshing the page of that video that we've been waiting on this entire time. Really wild stuff here. Really wild stuff. Let's go ahead here and walk through this code again because we haven't quite finished. I mean, I feel like we're done, but I want to just double check because this is a done bot. Well, I guess not too done. Oh, it was using the random there. Stay a little hedged. So we're getting the bid price, getting the ask price. How are we entering? Decide how we're entering. I'm gonna go back to here. How are we entering? Bid, limit, or market? Okay. Turn debugging back. Oh, good call, dog. So what did I do? What did I do? I put it here. Change back the deluxe entry price. Deluxe. Sheesh. These notes is already valuable to me. Okay, so entry price is back. And then we also had to change this back in the main or else it's gonna go crazy and buy everything. And then it's only gonna enter if not in position. That's already been checked. Let's go back here, trading algo checklist here. So implement into a trading bot. It's funny because this is better. This would be a better checklist than a thing. I literally said checklist. New template. Wonder how you add more stuff into here. No. Whatever, it's not that important right now. Implement trading strategy, we've done that. Implement risk control, that is done. Just look through here real quick. So we're getting my position, so that's done. And that should be implement risk controls, open orders, check decimals. I would move this to here. Set up the while true. Cancel all orders before opening an order. And we have cancel all orders. Or cancel symbol orders. Okay. Terminate debugging. How are we entering? This implement. I feel like this is number one. Oh, nice. Little check mark. Oh, they're just selecting it. Okay. Risk needs to be number one. Cancel all orders, decimal adjustments, and not open order deluxe. Let's have the wild true schedule run every minute or so. This is done. This is done. This is done. Check position. That's done. Yeah, I need to turn this into a checkbox, but it's all good. This is done. All right, I think that's pretty good. I mean, I think there's gonna be more I forgot, but whatever. I'll remember to do it later, and then I'll add it to the list. Google Scholar has PhDs writing about trading systems among strategies, really. Read books on trading and traders. Study podcasts of great traders. Because it doesn't even need to be a great trader is a thing. Is anything can spark an idea. Trading. Well, videos, I guess, because I was gonna say YouTube videos, but it doesn't really matter. Create backlog of ideas to backtest. Could I just put ideas here? Stick with the table though. I know this is kind of a checklist, but I think I'm gonna stick with the table because I can do things like this. Now people are getting wrecked on the other side. Not crazy like the other ones yet, but I can only anticipate how many people went short here because people are just gambling and please stop gambling. Please stop gambling. Please stop gambling. Been there and it's not fun. You think that you have some sort of edge, but you don't. You might, but with your emotions, you don't. That's what I'm trying to say. Because even if you're like the most well aware person in the world and you're so in tune with your emotions, at the end of the day, everybody has a bad day. And if you have a bad day while you're trading, that could turn into a bad year of income. So I really, really, really hope that instead of trading by hand, You will spend that time coding out your edge. Maybe it's a trading strategy edge you have. Maybe there's some obscure edge that you found somewhere else. Python is going to allow you to pretty much build anything. I've built all of these algos here on this channel with you, and I'll continue to do so. We were able to build this little game here, and I need to actually do my new top 4 here. But this was also with Python. Everything is doable with Python. That's why I truly believe code is the great equalizer, because for me is essentially the last thing I needed. I need to be able to build by myself, build on my own, because it's the only way algo trading works, is if you build your own edge and you'll build your own algos with your strategy. You've built that strategy. I showed you a couple of places to find strategies here today. We went ahead and back tested a ton in order to find a strategy that looks pretty good. So I went ahead and then built it into a bot today. Now I got to see if this bot actually matches up with the back test. Check in on bot every 4 to 12 hours, really. I mean, after first few hours, and then every 12 hours, I'd say. I mean, that's what I like to do, at least when I launch one, especially. Don't necessarily need to check it all out all the time, but let's go ahead here, see what else we can do here. Implement new backtest. Okay, backtest, use optimize. Okay, so this is pretty much the circle I'm gonna be going in, and I think for just each day I'm just gonna attack one, if not multiple of these. Still be aware for new opportunities like this Solana sniper that just popped up on us, and it took us down a road that I'm very, very, very grateful for. And today we went back to the old school, to the traditional markets, which is nice. I've shown so much over the years how to build for these exchanges and whatnot. This is how you automate your trading: research, backtest, and then implement if it's looking like a winner. If it's not, then move on. That's all. Just move on. To move on to the next one. Let's go ahead and pick my top ones here. See if there's any goodies. I still like this little Pepe. And then, of course, the Shark Cat. Who's this little guy? Oh, I missed him. See if I can find him again. Here he is. Who is he? Oh, this is a selfie dog. Yeah, I've definitely seen this guy before. Holy smokes. That's a wick if I've ever seen one. That is wild. I'm still going to be working with Jupiter and building bots over there as well. So for here on out, I'm thinking Jupiter Hyperliquid. DYDX I still use, of course. I've just noticed that it's harder for others to follow along with that because it's kind of clunky, to be honest, but I'll try to stick with those two for now. just so everybody can see everything every single day. And you keep showing up, I keep showing up, B. Every single day, I'm going to keep coming up here live and showing you absolutely everything. If you need a helping hand in this process of automating your trading, I can hold your hand in the boot camp and answer every single question that's going through your mind right now. I'm going to show you even how to code step by step, and I'm just a regular dude like you do. So feel free to jump into the boot camp. You can watch it at your own pace. You can learn how to code, and then you learn how to build bots based off of your strategies that you've proven by backtesting that they actually work. There's a 100% money back guarantee always. So you can rest assured, if you do take me up on this tiny offer here of $69, you'll learn absolutely everything that you need in order to start this journey and build your own trading bot. It's all here, step by step. Other than that, we'll see if these prices where these liquidations happened mean anything. I'll keep an eye on it throughout today. When I see a lot of blue, I expect a lot of pink later. The question is when, right? So I'm excited for you and your journey. You see the data sources I'm using, and every single day you see the things that I build. So I hope you have an amazing day. 777. Much love to you, and I'll see you next time.